Ladies and gentlemen, the government wants taxes for rich to be raised by three reasons. First is it is a solution for social problems. Secondly, it will benefit the economy of the nation. And thirdly, the rich are responsible. And those are in order to benefit society. And the opposition claim it seems like they don't want taxes to go up for the richest. Because firstly, they want freedom to use for the rich. And second, corruption. And third, the alternative they have. And let's see if those opposition things are working for the purpose. The first point of the opposition was that they have freedom to use. But I firstly want to say that the rich still have right to use free. Freedom is given when the duty is charged, and that part, the margin which is called right. They have to pay a duty. And secondly, right is still guaranteed to those who are rich. Well, as the opposition said, that the rich are charged in the basic and fundamental industry of the society. They have stable income. That means that they are stable to pay enough taxes. So those are nonsense in this point. And the second point of the opposition was the corruption, tax evasion, and tax trafficking. But firstly, I want to say that the corruption is totally different thing here. Well, it's about how you manage it. And secondly, even if people evade, it's still worthy to get revenue. The opposition team is too narrow-sighted here, as it offsets that loss anyway. And even if it happens, the rich are fulfilling at least their duties, so it's not good for society. And about their alternative, I don't think this works because they basically said that people should be motivated to work. But how they can be motivated? By decreasing taxes for the rich? No, it will be the same because it is a short-term solution. Well, they'll eventually feel the decreased tax is high, though it is decreased. So it will just aggravate the situation. And second point here is that the tax system rather have reached to do something more because they have comparatively low income than it used to be if they are in tax system. Well, to get money that they used to earn, they have to do something more. And that's the basic reason why tax system stands. And the third thing is that there's no notable advantage than our policy. There's no reason to use this alternative. Well, it only makes society imbalanced. Like the rich consistently get income proportionately, while the poor and the normal people are managing to live and sustain their lives. And taxing them normally seems to be imbalanced, so this is bad for society. And let's talk about one point that the rich are already fulfilled, what opposition team is claiming. Well, even if they fulfill their duty, the responsibility is totally different thing. Well, the mere job of the rich is to contribute. Yes, that's right, but the responsibility for people who paid for them and for the government providing should be paid. Well, industry is actually contributing to society, but it were not for the people who paid for it, and if it were not government who allowed to use the land and the nation and facility, it would not able to contribute to the society. So we have to fulfill those duties. Well, I felt that the government team felt that our value are more important than the opposition because we solved this social problem by balancing pay, and we can get revenue, therefore benefit society. And while the opposition team's alternative only raises problem. Thank you.